Plural nouns. If a noun refers to one person, thing, or place, it's considered a singular noun. We use a singular noun in its root form. If a noun refers to more than one person, thing, or place, it's considered a plural noun. We form a plural noun by adding suffix s to the root of the noun. Let's see a few examples. One umbrella, two umbrellas. One book, three books. One flower, many flowers. However, there are a few phonetic exceptions to the usage of the suffix s. On the following slides, we'll learn about those exceptions as well. Exception number 1. We need to pay attention to the nouns that end with the letters O, X, S, SH, CH, and Z. Whenever we pluralize such nouns, instead of S, we add ES to the end of these nouns. For example, a brush, brushes. A watch, watches. A dress, dresses. A potato, potatoes. However, remember, there are two exceptions to this rule as well. These are the words photo and piano. Despite ending with the letter O, whenever we pluralize these nouns, we simply add S to the end of these nouns. For example, photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Exception number 2. We need to pay attention to the nouns that end with the letter Y preceded by a consonant. Because whenever we pluralize such nouns, the letter Y changes into I, and then we add ES to the end of the noun. For example, a copy, copies. A lady, ladies. A currency, currencies. Remember, this rule does not apply to the nouns that end with Y that's preceded by a vowel, because whenever we pluralize such nouns, we simply add S to the end of the noun. For example, a boy, boys. A key, keys. A holiday, holidays. Exception number 3. We need to pay attention to the nouns that end with the sound F. Because whenever we pluralize such nouns, we change F to V and then add ES to the end of the noun. For example, a leaf, leaves. A thief, thieves. A housewife, housewives. Last but not least, in English, there are also a number of nouns that are known as irregular plural nouns. You can see the list of these nouns on the screen. We call them irregular because whenever we pluralize these nouns, we do not add any suffix to the end of these nouns. In the plural form, these nouns either change from their roots or remain identical. And it will be only helpful for you to learn their plural forms by heart for future reference. Practice time. For the first assignment, what you need to do is to write down the nouns that you see on the screen in the plural form. You have 30 seconds to complete this task. After 30 seconds, I'll show the correct answers so that you can cross-check. Time is up. Let's see the correct answers for the first assignment. Watches, taxes, house, boys, children, knobs, geese, loaves, dice, tomatoes, TVs, pencils, cherries, men, lamps, photos, lives, shoes, pianos, flowers, curtains, couches, chairs, girls, siblings, fish, mice, pillows, boxes, chickens, toes, kitties, tables, pages, buses. For the second assignment, what you need to do is to describe each picture using the sentence structure I see. For example, I see 2 flowers. You have 30 seconds to complete this task. After 30 seconds, I'll show the correct answers so that you can cross-check. Time is up. Let's see the correct answers for the second assignment. I see 2 fish. I see 4 children. I see 2 oxen. I see 5 dice. I see 3 people. To practice more, you can describe the nouns you see on the screen in the plural form and use them in simple sentences if you can. And please feel free to write your sentences in the comments section below. I'll try to check them for you whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos to come.